everybody, welcome to the Unique's Brand Life. Thank you guys for tuning in, the ones that are supporting me. I know I've been away for a little bit, but things have been going on, y'all. Let me tell you, the pandemic getting worse. We having to be teachers to our kids and change our whole schedules. Tell me about it. But anyways, so today's video is gonna be about the snack crate. Yes. So I got my other box and I'm covering this up so y'all can't see my information. So I'm gonna open this box. Okay, so this is what's in the box. And no, I'm not getting sponsored for this. I wish I was. So snack crate, hit a girl up, okay? So today we have a box from the Neitherlands. Okay, so this is what, I don't know why they got this all sealed up. So this is the capital of Amsterdam. It was established January 30, 1648. Population is 17,206,71. That's a lot. So this is what it looks like, and it tells you all the fun facts about the Netherlands. Okay, let me get some water. It has, I think this is what it has in it. It has some antibiotic. I don't know what that word is, but this is all that it may have in the box. This is what I may get. Okay. So it also comes with a format of when the snacks are expired. I'm not sure, but just a little another funky thing they have in the video. I mean, in the box. So this is how it's packaged. We got the little Amsterdam little sticker and all that mess. So I'm sure you guys can see. Okay. Right. So I got me some chips. I got me some bolognese. I don't think I'm gonna like these because it got an onion and tomato on there, and I don't want my breath stinking. So they call the croaky bolognese. All right. Then we got some Lay's potato chips, and they are potato jolly flavor. I've never seen these before in my life. This is what it looks like on the back. We also have some little candies. They call Hopkins. Okay, and they gave me about 5 of them, about 4 of them. All right. We got some veggie. They kind of like, you know, them little airheads, them little sour strips. This is what these are like. Okay. And then we got from the Dutch bakery, some wheel meal cookie. All right, and I be seeing these in the grocery store, so I never tried these. I know that people like drink them on their coffee, with their coffee and stuff like that, or with a hot drink. They're called Stroop waffles, with cinnamon and bourbon and vanilla with caramel. Here you go for a close look. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, y'all. So I don't know what to try first. I'm gonna say these little square little thingies for legs. And y'all, I'm gonna show y'all a closer look. This is what it looks like. Look like a little cough drop or something. So since they got some Lay's chips, look like it got some mustard on it. Let me look in the back. I can't read none of this. None of this. None of this. Let me smell this. It smells like honey mustard. So this is what the bag looks like. And y'all know they always cheating us all our chips. Putting a little half right there. They got all this air up in the chips. Anyways, let's try this chip. I'm gonna open my water. Okay, this is what it looks like. It really tastes like honey mustard sauce. They alright. Okay. So what I just ate was the Lay's Potager Hoppy, whatever it is. It says these chips are flavored with mustard, onion, curry, mayo, also known as japa sauce. So good. Okay, that's what it's like. All right. Well, I do like these chips, but let's see what's my favorite. All right, so what's next is the croaky chip, the bolognese. I hope these don't make my breath stink because they got some onion in them. Okay, these are what they look like. You know, chips are still at the bottom of the bag. Okay. Like probably a tomato basil. That's what the chip look like. Let me see. It tastes like a barbecue chip. Let me try one more. It just tastes like a barbecue chip. I don't know why them foreign chips be tasting like barbecue chips. But this that croaky. So next, we gonna try these. Oh, hold up. Let me read about the croaky. So, the unique chips are flavored with tangy tomatoey goodness of bolognese sauce. Okay. So that's the story behind those. Right, so we gonna try these Zuri Mataches, whoever they is. Look like cat food. Got a little cat on there. If y'all don't like cats, please comment down below. Cause I surely don't like no cats. Okay. So this is what they look like. Okay. Y'all know I always smell and taste the texture of my food. Okay. These are pretty good. Got sugar in them. Oh, y'all. I forgot a snack. Y'all. It was hot. Ain't got nothing to do with that. Okay. So, these are pretty good. They're sour and sweet, just like the sour strips. Let me read their background. So, these fruit flavored sour gummy ribbons are intense but balanced with sweetness. Alrighty. So what y'all think I should do next? But since the secret came out the box, this is called a windmill cookie. Okay. Oh shoot. Can't open it. Smell like a snickerdoodle. This what it look like, y'all. It's nice and cute and stuff. Okay. I don't like that. Y'all. They're too cinnamony for me. But the women cookie, the Neitherlands, in its most traditional snack form, the classic speculoos cookie in the shape of a Dutch windmill. Okay. All right, so what's next? We got these stroop waffles, and I see these here in the grocery stores and stuff like that. If I could open it. Let me see. Oh, they got caramel. So it's like caramel in the wafer. So let me tell you about this after I taste it. Let's see. Yo, this is something that you have to drink coffee with, cause y'all, it's too caramelly for me, and the cookie is too soft. I just don't like it. Strip waffles, crunchy waffles filled with creamy caramel, placed on a cup of hot coffee or tea to soften the caramel. Well, I can see why you would put it on there, but we ain't got no tea or no coffee. All right, last but not least, these little cubes. And I'm gonna read about these before I taste the Radmaker Hop Jazz, named after Baron Hendrik Hop. A noted coffee lover, these coffee candies have been made since the late 1700s. Okay, I already done told y'all I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee, y'all. But I want to taste what's in this box, so we're gonna taste it. It ain't got no smell. That's like a mouth full of coffee in your mouth. No sir, no ma'am, no ma'am, no. I'm still tripping over that candy that tastes just like hot coffee. Oh my gosh, it's weird. So you guys, this was all that came in the box. These Stroop waffles, this Dutch cookie, these airhead strips, I don't know what they call them. These make-believe Lay's chips that's over there in the West Indies. These croaky bolognese chips. And last but not least, this coffee box thing. Okay. So you guys, this box is definitely from the Netherlands. You can tell they really drink coffee over there. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you about this box. You can go to snackcrate.com and get you a subscription. $7.99, y'all, just a month, and you can get you a specialty box. Okay, so make sure you go to snackcrate.com, sign up, boo. Okay, so as for today, you guys, please don't forget to comment down below. Please hit your notification bell and make sure you hit that subscribe button if you ain't already subscribed. If you got to the end of this video, please don't leave without sending a like. All right? So this is the Unique's Brand Life coming back at you with another video banger. And then I'll see you guys next time. Bye.